Hey guys, this is Janice and I'm the Internet Marketing Nomad. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make extra sales with your thank you page. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please click the thumbs up and like my video, and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos as I upload them almost daily lately. So anyway, onward with the content. I want to show you how you can make extra sales with your thank you page. So I just made this little map of how the process works. So basically you have your landing page here, and you're going to get traffic from whatever source to your landing page. And when your prospect enters their email, they're going to go to the offer. And when they click through the offer and purchase it, or maybe sign up to your list or whatever it is you're trying to get them to do, once they submit their email, they're going to automatically receive a thank you page from you. And on that thank you page, you can put little advertisements, and I put them in the form of banner ads, and I'll show you an example here. And in those banner ads, you can put your affiliate links. And then from there, lots of people click on those. They don't always purchase what you're offering, but at least they click on them. And then after that, they're going to get your follow-up series of emails from promoting this offer. So anyway, I'll show you an example here. So this is the landing page that I used. And once people clicked on the button to go through and get notified on my list, they got my form to fill out. And after they clicked the submit button, they then went to my thank you page that looks like this. And on my thank you page, I have a headline: thank you for getting onto the GDLC pre-launch list, etc., etc. Please watch the video and I'll tell you what you can expect. And I made a short video here. I think it's maybe 5 minutes, if that. And then below the video, I put my YouTube subscribe button, a join us on Facebook button, and I think this goes to my Facebook group. And then down below that, I have all these little ads. And I just created these ads with my snipping tool. And so I don't know if you're on a PC, it comes with a snipping tool, and when you upload it, what I do is I just go through and I click on rectangular snip, and I snip whatever it is that I want to. And for example, I'll just show you here. I'll just copy this, and I save it. And I'm not going to save it right now, but I save it, and then I upload it to my thank you page, and I add a hyperlink to it, and it goes directly to, like in this instant, my Bluehost affiliate page. And in this case, it will go to 30-minute profits page, and this one goes to my get response affiliate link. This one goes to my make money even affiliate link. This one here goes to Ministry of Freedom, and this one here goes to Flippadom. And this is the one, this is one where I got a sale from this page. Now, I'll be honest with you, not a lot of people have seen this thank you page, but a lot of people have clicked on these offers. And this one especially. And how I know that is because I have the link inside of that offer is actually a pretty link that I created inside of my WordPress website. And I have 2 Flippadom links, pretty links created. And this one down here that one, I think this is the one that is on my thank you page, and I've got 55 clicks and 54 of them are unique. And I'll show you where this other link, where I planted this other link too, and it's getting lots of click-throughs. I'm quite surprised how many it's getting, but I made one sale from my thank you page, and it shows in here. Now I've received 34 hops in the last month to Flipidom, and I got one sale, and I got the front end sale and two of the upsells from it. Now, this is on that page as well, and so is this, and people are clicking on them. They're just, you know, not buying them for whatever reason. And let me see. Yeah, those are the only ones that are showing up in this last month from Warrior Plus that are on my thank you page. So yeah, so that's how I got extra sales with my thank you page. Now, where those other links are coming from that I showed you about in my Pretty Links page, whatever you call it, is in, oh, sorry, I'm in two different browsers, so I'm clicking around a lot, is in the emails that I send out. So I always send an email to myself as a test, and in the I use Get Response, and in the bottom of my emails I always have this little snippet down here. And if you don't know how to add these snippets to your emails, I'm going to make another video and show you how to do that, because no matter how many times I create an autoresponder or a newsletter, I always add this in the bottom. And in the bottom, I have my Facebook page where people can connect with me and message me, or they can join my Facebook group here. And this is the link that takes them to Flipidom. So that's where I showed you in my Pretty Links. That's this one here, Flipidom GR, where I've received 58 unique clicks from this little link here. So people actually look down here. So if you're not using something like this in your emails, you probably should. Like I said, I don't have any sales from this particular one, but people are looking, so you never know what you're going to get. And then I have these other links down here as well, and a little picture of myself. And yeah, so that's in every single email that I send out from Get Response. So that's how I make extra sales with my thank you page, which is this one here. And you know, hopefully I'll make some other sales from my emails that I send out. So I learned this method from El Bandito by Anthony Mancuso, and I'm going to post the link down below. So if you don't have El Bandito, not Bandito, it's El Bandito. I'll post the link down before. He goes into way more detail than I just did, but that's basically how you can get more sales. So if you're already an experienced affiliate marketer and you're not using this method, there you go. You learned something new today. So I hope that helps. That's my little overview and case study. And once again, I hope you like this video. And if you do, please click the thumbs up. And if you don't like it, you can click the thumbs down, or don't click it at all. Anyway, thanks for watching my video about how to make more sales with a thank you page. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.